Party from day 3 aboard the Disney Wish. We are on the very first sailing, celebrating Disney Cruise Line's 25th anniversary that they're calling Silver at Sea. And on day 3, we're in pure vacation mode. We're docked at Nassau in the Bahamas, so we're gonna get off the ship and explore around. And then tonight is pirate night. Fireworks at sea. That's one of the things that's unique about Disney Cruise Line, is that they do fireworks at sea. So we're gonna bring you along for the whole day.
Oh wow! We're off the ship.
Going for a walk.
Woo! It looks cool, doesn't it? There's still so much construction going on here at the Port of Nassau. It's come a long way since last time we saw it, but there's still a lot going on. You can get some really cool views of all the cruise ships that are docked here. Oh yeah. This is the part that's still under construction. You can like see her face and everything. That's cool. It's really neat to get such a close-up look at the ship from the outside like this. We both love all the mechanics of the cruise ship. We love seeing the ropes, the way the ship is tied up, just the way everything looks and works. We've worked up quite an appetite, so it's time to get back on the ship and get some lunch. Now it's time to watch everybody flow back in to get back on their ships. We have the Carnival Elation across from us. So we're just kind of rocking out to their music. Watching people come back in on the excursion boats and stuff and having a glass of wine. It's kind of fun when you're docked and you like kind of watch people come and go and everybody kind of cheers at each other and has fun. Carnival definitely lives up to the party ship rep, right? But it's funny because like 5 minutes ago there was no one. So they must be leaving soon because now it's like streaming. People are streaming back. We're getting undocked too. It's our turn. We're gonna go soon.
I have your attention, please? This is the officer of the watch speaking from the bridge. At the end of this announcement, we will be sounding our ship's whistle. We recommend to our guests on the open decks to cover your ears.
We have been so lucky this cruise with like hearing all the different tones and melodies that they have on the ship's horn, and I love hearing them.
That's not just a whistle, that's magic.
That is magic. We're both sitting here with our jaws dropped. I know we're on the other side of the camera, but our jaws are dropped. And like we're just trying to stay quiet so that we can record. Oh, we're going!
Off we go.
Off we go. Hey ho, we'll go anywhere the wind is blowing. Bye, Nassau. See you next time. No, birds, go back to land. Go back to land. And off we go for the evening. We've still got pirate night to look forward to. You did a beep beep. Thank you. Mind the rocks, everybody.
You said you made it.
Pirate night tradition.
All right, we have sailed away. It's always so much fun to watch our own ship obviously sail away, but it's really cool to watch other ships that are docked next to us. We had a Carnival ship on our side. We had 2 Royal Caribbeans on the other side, and we got to watch them like untie and sail away and wave goodbye to them. It was so much fun. And now we have sailed away as well, and tonight is pirate night, and we're so excited. Fireworks at sea, pirates, Captain Jack Sparrow, all the characters in their special outfits, and we are, you know, just tropical for the occasion. So let's go have a fun pirate night, mateys. Yo ho.
Don't forget, we also watched Muppet Treasure Island.
It's your
the
tradition.
best Muppet.
And you know, tonight we're gonna
channel our Muppet vision.
The stores all close whenever we're at port, and now that we've sailed away, Mickey's Mainsail has opened, so we're gonna have another look around for just to look at some merchandise. In the day 1 of this series video, I showed you most of the Disney Cruise Line 25th anniversary merchandise, but there's one little bit that we didn't see that day that we're just seeing today, and this is a pin. So it's got the Disney Cruise Line logo and then the 25 coming up, but it kind of looks like a lamp, right? And the smoke coming out of the lamp, and the genie is a 25. Doesn't it kind of look like that? $17.99. I guess we should do it, huh? I only collect very special pins, and I feel like this is a special one. There are a lot of really great pins here too, and look at this one. So Rapunzel hangs on this ship, and look, she's hanging by her hair. Mickey, we're trying so hard to get piratey for you. We can never be as cool as Captain Mickey. Aye, Captain. We're ready. We're ready.
The pirate show?
Yeah, oh yeah, definitely.
We just totally lucked out, and Captain Mickey came out. The characters are all gonna be in their pirate outfits tonight, but that wasn't even on the schedule, right?
I don't know, but I'm happy right here. Look.
It's right.
Since we have a little bit of time before the first pirate show tonight, there are 2. We're gonna head into Star Wars Hyperspace Lounge. We love this. Hyperspace, where are we going? I love Hyperspace Lounge. This is such a cool bar. And every so often, we take a little leap to another galaxy, planet, system, whatever. Oh! The menu here is a tablet. and you can see, you know, non-alcohol drinks, cocktails, wine, brews. The cocktails are what we love. Almost everything we've tried here has been great, and even the weird things have been cool in a weird way. And also in the tablet menu, we can check out the different planets that we visit. So we visit Tatooine and Endor, Mustafar. Where are we going? Where are we going? Where are we going? Thank you. We are right. Oh, thank you. Ready. Ooh. You got the Sam got the Tatooine, and I got the Moons of Endor, which I also really liked last time. So good. Endor's more blue.
I'm pretty sure that's Endor.
Pretty sure we're on Endor right now.
We need some Ewok.
Well, Batu has the ship out in front of it though. Yeah, it's Batu.
We've been there.
We've been there. We've definitely been there.
Hopefully we'll see some Ewoks at some point.
Yeah. I also love the music in here. It's so cool. Nope. We're up on deck 11. We're attending the first of the 2 pirate parties tonight. The sunset, the pirate music, fantastic. Oh, show's starting.
That be better. Feels mighty good to once again be unfurled and flying high over pirate waters. Allow me to introduce myself. The name be Jolly Roger. Now I need to know, are all of you excited for the pirate festivities to begin?
Members, maybe time to welcome one of your favorite pirate crew, Pirate Donald!
And now it's the time for that dazzling dancer herself, Pirate Daisy!
Hello, everyone! I say, of course, for fun!
Yeah, Daisy!
Now, let's return to fill the sails! What is doing me? It's none other than Pirate Goofy!
Swab the post deck, you swabs! Oh, yeah, fun too!
Now,
Goofy does the most.
let's hear it for Captain Mickey and me!
It's a pirate's life for me!
Ahoy, mateys! Are you ready for pirate fun and adventure?
Yeah!
Me too!
Well then, with the crew all accounted for, I say, away, away, away we go!
Live the life we love!
Come on, come on, come on, come on, live the life we love! Feel the sunny sand, we're not to see faraway land! Away, 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 live the life we love!
Oh, we've already mastered the Pirates Academy, haven't we? Oh, we can do it again though.
That's easy.
Loud and loud, say aye, aye, Captain!
Lesson number 3.
Pirates here, show 'em crew, you know what to do. I now declare all of you official members of Captain Minnie
And Mickey's
Pirate Crew! I, the new caretaker and overseer of this fine vessel. Mr. Smee, status report.
Aye, Captain. The ship is now yours to do with as you please.
Mickey!
Yeah, what if we were able to win it back with a captain's challenge?
Blast that pirate code. Oh, very well.
Come on, Captain, back to Neverland. Now, which direction is it from here?
With the codfish out of the way and this here ship back in your control, I'd say it's time to continue celebrating your brilliant new crew.
A three cheers for our new crew. Hip, hip, hooray! Hip, hip, hooray! Hip, hip, hooray! Congratulations, everybody! You did it! You proved yourselves to be a fine pirate crew indeed. What do you think, JR?
Well, nothing more for me to say, so away I go!
And that was just the first of 2 pirate parties. Later tonight, I don't know, but I heard Captain Jack Sparrow might come out. Fireworks, all sorts of things. But we also have a dance party, we have dinner. There's a lot going on Pirate Night. It's really fun. The sun has set. It's a beautiful evening. The moon is out. The ocean is just amazingly beautiful as always.
Follow me.
There's no sunset like a sunset at sea.
I don't know about you, but this pirate sure feels better. I'm thinking I know this song. Midnight Train. You like to move it?
Looks like they also have glow cups with Pirate Mickey on them that are incredibly cute.
I will dance on the Disney cruise.
We're at 1923 once again, but tonight is the Pirate Night dinner. It's the same menu at every restaurant. And we're at the same table. Oh wow, you may not be able to see this because of the glare, but we can see outside this beautiful dusky sky and the ocean, and it looks amazing. Tonight there's a special Pirate Night menu. It's the same menu at all the restaurants. It's like it's on ye old parchment paper.
Hey Jackie,
Yeah?
it's Pirate Night, it's day 3. Tomorrow is our last night.
No!
How do you feel?
Don't bring that up right now. We don't think about that today. We think about that tomorrow.
Tomorrow. It goes so quick.
Well, it feels long but short at the same time.
Yeah.
It's like an alternate reality.
Are you ready for Castaway?
I am so ready to cast away at Castaway Cay.
My name's
And the beautiful wishing chandelier's red tonight. I guess that's for Pirate Night. It's great. Oh, it just ding-ling-a-ling-old. Beautiful. Pirate music. All right, we finished our pirate dinner and we are back out for the Pirates Rockin Parlay Party. And there's gonna be a band. There's gonna be, you know, you never know if Captain Jack Sparrow will show up. He will. I mean, unless, you know, who knows, maybe caught up catching rum or something. But either way, there's gonna be that and fireworks.
Are we moving?
I don't know, I can't tell.
Lovers! X marks the spot on your radio dial. This is your host, the Spinning Seagull, coming to you live from Davy Jones Water. Tonight's the night when pirates rock the boat. Alaski! It's time to put your hands and hooks together for the most rockin' pirates around.
Are we ready to parlay?
been giving them hell in Tortuga, running a right old ocean. She's my captain, she's your captain, she's Captain Red. Girl.
Parlay, they must call out that. Place thy hand on this scroll and yell, yo-ho! Then, a sparkling treasure ye shall behold.
Well, blimey, that be today.
I sent word out to 3 other captains of the Caribbean. I told them to look for the ship which rocked like a sea in a hurricane. Yeah. Fire the cannon! Out of town! Out of town!
Captain Jack Sparrow.
Did you say something about the treasure?
On the 14th of this month, find 4 captains of the Caribbean Sea. Parlay, they must call out that. Place my hand on this scroll and yell out, yo-ho! Then, a sparkling treasure ye shall behold. Yo-ho!
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 Yo-ho! A pirate's life for me!
Right. On.
What now?
Find the rum.
Rum! Pirates, I told you you'd have sparkling treasure, and sparkling treasure you had. Locksley, keep on rocking.
Aye, aye, Captain!
Stand up, you hearties, yo!
We live stand up, me heart, yo! Kidnap, we ravage, we don't kill us. Stand up, me heart, yo! Yo ho, that's my wording. We be the Scallies. Thanks for rocking the boat with us. And yo ho!
It's always so cool to see fireworks at sea and the spotlights and stuff, and Disney Cruise does it in a unique way. It's just really fun, and also of course seeing Captain Jack Sparrow come down.
It's cool on the Wish that they have the live band too.
Yeah, it's just a lot of fun. Pirate night. Arr, matey. We're dancing on a pool right now. This is so cool. Dance party. Woo! And we're back in our room, and look at this incredible towel creature. Is this like Davy Jones, like an octopus? I don't know. They even gave him eyeballs. I love this. And on Pirate Night, you get your pirate coins. Dead men tell no tales. Check it out. They've got skull and crossbones on one side, Jolly Roger, and that famous quote on the other. And we're back in our room. Another fantastic day aboard the Disney Wish. We're here for the 25th anniversary of Disney Cruise Line's Silver Sailings, or Silver at Sea. This is the very first one, and these are gonna be running throughout the summer, and we are loving it so far, even without the silver stuff. Just being on a Disney cruise is wonderful, and I love to share it with you and show you all the different things there are to do. And I hope you're enjoying the series, because every day we do slightly different things. We'll try different food or lounges or activities, and we'll try new things each cruise too, so that like watching them all, you'll be able to see a lot of the things that there are to do aboard the Disney Wish or Dream or whichever boat we're on, whichever ship we're on. We've only done the Wish and the Dream so far, but we plan to do more, and whatever cruise line we're on. So stay tuned, because there's a lot more to come, and let me know in the comments what your favorite things that we do are and what you want to see more of, and I'll check that out. Also, I want to mention I purchased the photo package. You can pre-purchase your photo package, and I do that every cruise now, and I find it so worth it, because they take photos of you all over the ship. They take photos of you with the characters. They'll take photos out at Castaway Cay tomorrow, and you get dozens and dozens of beautiful photos of you and your party, whether you're a couple like us or friends or a family or whatever. It's such a nice way to get photos of you together that you don't have to ask strangers to take, and you don't have to like just only have selfies. Like, it's just nice, and they come out beautiful most of the time. So we are gonna get some much needed sleep for a big day at the beach tomorrow. Hopefully get nice weather and it'll be nice, so stay tuned for that. We're going to Disney's private island in the Bahamas, Castaway Cay tomorrow, and I can't wait to share it with you because I love it. Thanks for hanging out with us today, mateys. I hope you had a good time, and I hope you found some treasure. So I'm sending you all a ton of love. I will see you for the next video, and until then, as always, stay enthused.